What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an area rug. And if you ain't got one of these, don't even worry about it, because guess what? Neither do I. But with this method I'm finna show you today, I guarantee anybody can do this. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, I did mine, and I'm going to show you exactly how you could do yours. Let's go. Here is my entryway area rug. Now to some, maybe my rug don't look that bad, but these problem areas in front of my front door and at the bottom of the step have got to get addressed before they get any worse. But to clean it, where exactly am I going? Yeah, yup, you see me? I'm at the local car wash. I know, not what some of you guys were thinking, but hear me out. Don't X out this video, don't close it out, because I'm trying to put y'all on. Now the first thing you want to do is clean out this stall. Spray away any rocks, dirt, sand. You want the stall to be as clean as possible before you lay your rug down. Next thing you want to do is saturate the rug with water. That's going to help better distribute the cleaning product that I'm going to apply. To help get me a good clean on this carpet, I brought my drill. I have two drill brushes. This one is real stiff, this one's super soft. I got some carpet cleaner. I also have a push broom to help get some of that dirt loosened up. I'm gonna pour this all over the carpet. Use the brush, maybe the drill, we'll see. So I got this stuff from Walmart. No, I don't have any pets, but it does provide added protection, so this is what I'm going with. And where it says Pro Strength is no joke, because I think I used a little bit too much. So this rug is 4.5 feet by 7 feet, so it's a perfect size for this project. But don't worry, even if you have a rug larger than mine, maybe double the size, it'll still fit in the stall very comfortably. Also, this rug is made out of 100% nylon pile, so it can definitely stand up to all this work I'm putting in with this push broom. And maybe yours can. If you've got a shag type rug or something more fluffy, you're going to need a completely different brush, but don't worry. I'm going to leave maybe 2 or 3 linked down in the description box, both local and online, to help you guys out. So I'm pretty much done with the push broom, but I am going to use it to push some of the soap and suds back on the rug, because now it's time for me to hit it with the drill brush, and I don't want this thing drying out. I'm going to focus on those high traffic areas that I pointed out to you guys earlier. Now, depending on how dirty your rug is, what type of material it's made from, and what push broom you initially used, this second step could be completely optional for you. But I can tell with mine, that push broom didn't quite do the job, so this next step for me is mandatory. Let me tell you something, I absolutely love this drill brush, because all them white suds are now turning brown, meaning it's pulling up and loosening all the dirt in this rug. I can't wait to rinse this thing off. So why the car wash? Some of y'all are probably still asking that. Well, I feel like nothing gets deep down in the roots and fibers of a rug like a pressure washer. And honestly, not everyone has that. I have one at my house. I could have easily done this job at home in my backyard. But you know what? I made this video to let y'all know you don't need one. You can take your rug to your local car wash and get the same deep clean. Time to rinse all that soap out. Now this step took about 10 minutes. So while that's happening, let's get into the price check. How much would this have cost had I hired someone to clean it for me? So I reached out to one of my local carpet cleaning experts and was given a quote of $150 to clean my rug. But I'm doing it myself. The money I spent at the car wash and on the carpet cleaner only totaled up to $23. The push broom and the drill brush, I had that stuff already. And on top of that, it only took me 30 minutes to clean the carpet from start to finish. At the end of the day, I saved almost $130 doing it myself. Now, with all that being said, does this DIY make sense? You better know it. Now let's get back to the rinse and reveal. All right, now I'm done rinsing. I'm not doing no more. I done got 97% of the soap out, so this just is what it is at this point. Now peep this. The push broom I was initially cleaning the rug with, I'm finna flip this thing over and use it as a squeegee to get all this excess water out. You don't need to buy nothing extra to get this done. If you plan on cleaning your area rug, go ahead and save or download this video. That way you don't have to come hunting for it later. And with that, I am done. Time to roll this thing up, get it to the house, and throw it over my fence to dry. After a couple of hours in the sun, here's the reveal. I absolutely love the results I got cleaning this rug myself. The colors are nice and bright. It don't look dull and dingy no more. And taking it to the car wash actually worked. I'm trying to tell you, anybody can do this. And the biggest thing for me is the rug feels clean. It feels clean. It feels good to walk on it barefoot. I couldn't be happier with the results. Y'all gotta try this. Now see, anybody can do this. Now that rug you've been looking at or avoiding looking at, you ain't gotta hire no professional to clean that thing. Take it to the car wash and clean it yourself. And all that money you thought you was gonna have to spend can stay right in your pocket. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it encourages you to clean your own area rug. You can do it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.